Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Ninja Thirsti Drink System. So I'm going to do this unboxing video for you and show you what this package brings. So let's get into it. So you have your quick guide right here. This comes with a 12 pack starter pack with the different flavors inside here. You have your CO2 canister right here. This is a 60-liter canister. You have your two canisters right here. It's best to keep it cold, so you fill this up with the cold water. And then you have your Ninja Thirsti Drink System right here. So this is how it looks on the side. This right here, you put your CO2 cartridge in here. You can set here either with still or sparkling. Here's your start button. You set your size, anywhere from 6 to 24 ounces. This is to either activate one flavor cartridge or the second one, or even both if you do both. Here's your drip tray. You put that there. This is where your cold water goes. You just attach it like so, and then you fill this up with the cold water. A cool feature that this system has is a white cover over here. When it's white, that means the water is not cold enough. When the water is the perfect temperature, then it turns to a blue color. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Ninja Thirsti system. I like how it comes with the 12-pack starter kit with the different flavors that you could try out. I also like how you're able to either use one or the two and even combine them both at the same time. I like how you're able to also set the different size that you want, 6 to 24 ounces. And I also like how you're able to set up still or the sparkling. And it comes with the 60-liter CO2 cartridge.